Well, it did say Blazer here. So I'm going to finish the video that I made yesterday, but the phone didn't upload it, and we're back to the same old storage is full business. So I was going to show you, after I showed you the quad shocks, I watched the video before I deleted it. Usually I just delete them. I didn't notice that it wasn't the full length. I was going to show you how to adjust the... Turn the light on. I was going to show you how to adjust the throttle valve, which I'm sure there's a million videos. See the silver button? Some of these, maybe the older ones, are spring-loaded, so when you press that button, it retracts fully that way and makes it shorter, way too short, gives it too much pressure and makes the shift at too high of a speed. Let me collect my thoughts. So I pressed the button and I shortened the cable. I moved it that way, which means that when you open the throttle, you're pulling it more. I shortened it probably 1/8 or 3/16 of an inch, quite a bit. Where is it? See this plastic thing here? I made that go in that way, so when you pull on the throttle, give it gas, or give it diesel, in the case of the diesel, it makes it shorter. What I'm doing now is I'm adjusting the carburetor screws, the mixture screws, which this I guess is a rebuilt carburetor because it's got some gold paint that's peeling off, which means it's a rebuilt. It runs pretty well. It was running really shaky on 7 cylinders when I first bought it in Salinas. So I stuck a 1/4 inch socket on it. I was able to turn it with 2 fingers and get the idle smoother, but it still hesitates and shakes and does a bit of a dance. So I've got this special tool on it right now, which is just 2 fingers that turn the mixture screw. So I've got a vacuum gauge I bought at a flea market for $1. I've got my bench with my locks in place so it doesn't collapse and break my leg. So we're going to crank this baby up. I haven't heard from my friend Gas Sub Wild in Japan. Isn't he happy that I bought a Blazer? Let's see what we got for vacuum here. It's supposed to be high and steady. And if I turn this, I'm turning the little adjusting screw now, wherever it is. Opening it now, whatever that does, more gas, more air. Not making any difference at all. The higher you get it, the smoother it runs. My clutch fan is barely turning. That's a good thing. It's working properly, not wasting gas. So I'm going to tinker around with that, and it does shift better now that I shortened the cable. Give it more pressure. It has a nicer shift. Not a perfect shift, but a nicer shift. And I've got it for sale if you want to buy it. I've still got to fix the horn. I was looking at a forum on the internet, and some guy said the relay for the horn is way at the top. And I actually see a plug right there that has nothing in it. This guy right here should have a relay in it, and it's gone. I'm putting my finger on top of it, so it's got 2 locks, but there's no relay in it. So what happened to the horn relay? Maybe I'll pull it out of this thing, but then I can't get it back in. It's really hard. You need to get 2 hands up there. It's basically behind that.